Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Guys, again, we are on day, well, I don't know, I quit counting, of quarantine. And I know how everybody feels. I know you're getting stir crazy. At least we got videos to turn to. And please try not to be watching the news 24/7. That will drive you insane. Keep yourself updated and take an hour out the day or so to watch and catch up on, because you know it changes daily. So just make sure you're staying updated, but please don't be staying glued to that damn news. Because I'm telling you, I've been doing that for a few days. It makes you start freaking out when you just sit there and listen to everything going on. So guys, we will get over this. And again, there's other videos and stuff that we can watch to, to make us happy, to make us laugh. Let's watch more videos like that, the ones that make us laugh and everything. Because you know what? I've always heard laughter is the best medicine. It's not a cure, but it's a good damn dose of medicine. So anyways, guys, I am about to show you the April add-ons now. Now, they did have to change the date because of everything going on. So the new date is March 30th. The add-ons will be available for 24 hours, guys. So just mark that down. So if you're excited for this video, y'all, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, hit your subscribe button. Make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified. You don't miss no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read that first comment from my last video, which was my viral makeup hacks that I found on social media. Thank you, Twinning It. Twinning It says, hey girl, how you doing? Hey girls, how are you? It is so good to see a familiar comment down there. Thank you girls so much. You are so supportive and always watch my videos. I love you girls so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have one out of two chances to get it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So again, now this is not all of the add-ons. I'm just showing you a couple of things that you might be able to get. And again, the date was changed because of everything going on. So the add-ons start March 30th. And remember, you do have 24 hours to get your add-ons. So just make sure you write this date down because it's only in a couple of days, y'all. And again, you can only get 3 products. You can only get 3 of these add-ons. And you have to reveal your bag to access the add-ons. Now, I know a lot of people don't like to get spoilers. They don't like to see what is going to be in their bag. But I guess the reason they do that is so you don't go through the trouble of buying something that might already be in your bag. Now, the sample size stuff is $3, or you could get full-sized items for $12. So let's look at these. Again, this is not all of them. This is just a few. So first up is the MAC Prep and Prime Natural Radiance. Now it says base, so I'm assuming this is the foundation. Am I right? I'm probably not, but who knows. Next is the Youth to the People Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. And then this is something I've never seen, y'all. This is the Christopher Robin Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. Never heard of this brand, so I'm quite curious about that. So if anybody ends up getting this or whatever, let me know how this works. I would love to know. Next up is is it Orza or is it Oriza? Oriza? I don't know, y'all. Orza Beauty. That's what I'm going to say. I probably said it wrong, but y'all know I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, it's the Nude, Shimmer, and Contour Eyeshadow palette. Now, it looks like there are 3 shimmers and 1 matte shade in it. It looks like nice neutral colors. Cute little palette, y'all. And then last but certainly not least is the Shayna B Miami Blush Brush. Now, again, guys, this is not all the add-ons. They are going to have more. And of course, guys, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I gotta keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Is it Lease Mania Beauty? I hope I said that right, girl. Anyways, she says, very nice hacks. Well, thank you so much, love. I really appreciate that. And again, if there's any hacks y'all know of, put them down in the comments because I asked for 10 likes on that video to do another hack video, and it surpassed it. Last time I looked, it was at 30. So I better start looking up my hacks. So I'd appreciate it if y'all would help me out. And Lise Mania, honey, thank you so much for coming and watching the video. Honey, I hope you're not going too stir crazy. And I really appreciate that, honey. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you still subscribe to my channel. You know how YouTube unsubscribes people for no reason. But if you would double check that, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.